what families will face in 2026, and how to prepare now. If you've been feeling like life is tightening, like no matter how hard you work, you can't get ahead, I need you to hear this. 2026 is going to challenge a lot of families, but not in the way most people think. And the ones who prepare now will feel calmer, steadier, and far more in control. Stay with me. This may be one of the most important conversations you hear this year. I'm Holly, former real estate broker for 44 years, now a mentor helping seniors, parents, and individuals starting over, building more stability in their lives. And every week I talk to people who are exhausted, not just financially, but emotionally too. If that's you, you're not alone. The reality of 2026. Let's be honest. Most families are not struggling because they're careless or irresponsible. They're struggling because the math of life has changed faster than their income has ever. Here's what's coming and already, I should say, starting. More layoffs and fewer full-time jobs. Companies are cutting entire departments. AI is replacing tasks that used to require staff. Contract work is rising. Stability is dropping. This affects everyone, but especially workers over 50, parents who need flexible hours for their families, seniors relying on part-time income. The cost of living will rise again. Groceries, insurance, healthcare, housing, none of this is slowing down at all. And here's the hard truth. Most households cannot survive another 10 to 15% increase on the same income. Retirement is no longer guaranteed stability. Sadly to say, more than half of Americans 60 plus years have less than 100K saved, and most less than that. Not because they failed, but because life outpaced their plan. Social Security COLA increases, they don't even come close to matching real inflation. Families are supporting more generations at once. Adult kids moving back home, grandparents assisting grandchildren, parents helping parents. One income stream simply doesn't stretch that far anymore at all. Think of your life like a table. Most people were taught to build their table with one leg, their job. For decades, that worked. Not anymore. But today, that one leg is wobbly, unstable, not because you did something wrong, but because the world's changed. To steady that table, you don't need 10 new legs, just one or two more to support the weight of your life. That's why even small supplemental income streams can completely change someone's future, especially for seniors and families. So here's my question for you. How different would your life feel if even one additional simple income stream was supporting you in 2026? Would it give you breathing room, less fear, more choices, a little stability you can actually count on? Most people say yes. What to do next? The people who will feel calmer in 2026 are the ones who start preparing now, not in January, not when things settle, but before the wave hits more. And preparation doesn't mean working harder, it means just working smarter, creating options, and gently shifting from survival mode into stability mode. You deserve that. Watch one of my next videos. Your exact link I'll put below, you'll see shortly. If this resonated, watch this next. Feeling stuck after 60. But what to do? There's the link. It connects directly to everything I shared here and on many of my other videos as well. If you're navigating life after 50, 60, or even 70s, or you're trying to build stability for your family, subscribe and stay connected. I'm here to guide you one step at a time, each and every time. You can't predict the future, but you can prepare for it gently, wisely, and on your own terms.